Yo, what is going on, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, and today I want to share with you a very simple technique of how you can start earning up to $20 of free PayPal cash again and again with this one very simple technique that works worldwide. You are absolutely going to love this. As long as you have an internet connection, a desktop, or a laptop computer, you can get started today applying this very simple technique. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. You're going to need to know all of the steps. Do not jump ahead and do not close that browser window. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this. Alrighty, my friends, so as promised, let's jump straight into this video. No fluff today. Let's put money straight into your pockets. So the name of the website that you're going to want to be at to get started earning up to $20 of free PayPal cash is called shrinkearn.com. You can see that right here. You can also see that up here in the URL. I will leave a link to this down in the description of the video so you can very easily navigate back to this page that we're looking at right here. So you're probably wondering what is happening on this website. Well, you'll see right here you can earn up to $20 per 1,000 visits, and you're probably wondering, well, what do you mean by 1,000 visits? Well, don't worry about that. We'll get to that in just a sec. Like I said, make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. This is very simple to do, but you need to make sure that you follow every single one of these steps. So just real quickly here, just to kind of sum this up, I'm going to give you an example as well so you can actually see what's happening here. But what this website does is it shortens URLs, similar to bit.ly or tinyurl.com. If you're familiar with URLs at all, what you'll notice is a lot of times they're very big and ugly. What a URL shortener does is it shrinks those down so that it's more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Now what shrinkearn.com does is they offer you the ability to actually shorten URLs and actually go post those back out on the internet and generate up to 1,000 visits to earn up to $20 per 1,000 visits. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to get 1,000 visits to these links, and what links are you even talking about? So stick with me. We're going to run you through this entire process so you can see exactly how this plays out. So step number one, as you can see right down here, is you're going to create an account, and then we're going to be shortening links, and then we're going to earn money. So to sign up, come right up here to the top where it says sign up. It's very simple to do. You create a username, an email, you create a password, you select this captcha right here, I'm not a robot. You agree to their terms of service, you should probably read those, and then you're gonna hit register, and then it creates your account. One other thing I wanna throw in there as well is it's very useful to have a PayPal account already established, because that is how these guys are going to be paying you. They have 3 or 4 other different methods of payment that you can actually receive payment for, but I suggest using PayPal because that is the simpler, more preferred method by shrinkearn.com to actually pay out. Alrighty, you guys, so now that you're signed up, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go out and get URLs that people are going to want to click on. We're going to shorten them, and then we're going to place them in a place that's going to generate a lot of views so that you can earn up to $20 per 1,000 visits to these URLs. So what you're going to want to do is come over to YouTube, and you want to stick to categories, you guys, that are evergreen categories. I'm talking about health, wealth, and romance, and you want to find videos that answer questions and solve people's problems. So just for this example, I'm going to use one of my own videos. Now you do not need to use my videos, and you do not have to have your own videos. You can simply just come to YouTube and type in a question. Like I said, remember, it needs to be in an evergreen category that has to do with health, wealth, or romance, and it has to solve a problem. So I'm gonna click on one of my videos, and this would be how to make money online with your phone. So I'm gonna click on this video right here, and we'll just pause it real quickly. And then what you're gonna wanna do next is come to where it says share right here. You're gonna copy this link right here, and then you're gonna take this back over to shrinkearn.com. Now remember, the video that we just clicked on answers the question of the top 5 apps to make money online with your phone. So we'll come back over to shrinkearn.com, and we're logged in right now on shrinkearn.com, and what we're gonna do is we're going to paste this link right here into shrinkearn.com, and then we're gonna click this green button right here. It's gonna do its thing, and it's gonna shorten that link. And now this is our new link right here. So we're gonna copy this link right here. And then what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take this over to Cora.com. Now, if you're not familiar with what Cora.com is, it's very simply just a question and answer website, and they generate a ton of traffic on here with people asking questions and people answering these questions. So what we're going to do with the link that we just shortened, which was how to make money online with your phone, the top 5 apps, is we're going to search for something similar on Quora that we can actually answer these questions with. So all I've done here is come up here and type in make money online, because remember the video I have right here answers a lot of questions that have to do with how to make money online. This one right here talks about the top 5 apps to make money online with your phone. So in Quora, I've typed in make money online. This gives me a much more broad spectrum of questions that I can actually answer with that video. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is actually come down here and look through these questions and make sure that the video that you've chosen and that you've shortened the link for actually applies to these questions, and which questions does it apply to. So just for this example, this one says, how do I make money online? Well, I can definitely answer that with these top 5 apps to make money online with your phone, right? It's not as specific, but it's broad enough that I could definitely answer that question with that. Now, you should also pay attention to these numbers right here. This is really important. I've seen a similar video to this and I don't talk about this, and this will generate a ton more views for you guys, because if you're answering questions that are followed by a lot of people, this one right here is 7.3 thousand people follow this question. So if you were to answer this question with this video or a video that is similar to this one, you will get a lot more traffic because a lot more people are following that question. This means that they're notified as soon as people are answering this question. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do after you found the question that you want to actually answer with your link is you're going to actually click on that, and then it's going to bring you over to the page with the actual question here, and you want to focus right here where it says answer. And again, see where it says 2.5 thousand people are following this question? That means this question right here gets a lot of traffic. It's followed by a lot of people. Remember, we need 1,000 views to make $20, right? So we can click on answer this question. And one thing that's very important is you want to make sure that you've actually watched this video, you digested some of the information, and it's very easy for you to talk about. Because in this question right here, what you want to do is you don't want to make this look spammy at all. So you're going to want to leave a little blurb in here, maybe a paragraph or more, that actually talks about, you know, what this video has to do with and how it can solve this person's problem of how to make money online. And then all we're going to do after that is we're going to take the link from that video right here. Remember, we're going to copy that again, just make sure it's copied. And then we will simply place that link in here after we've left a thoughtful comment right here. We'll place it right underneath the comment, and then we'll hit submit. And then your answer will be posted to this, and everybody that's on this question will be notified that this question has been updated. And when people actually come and read your valuable comment that you left here and the link that you've placed underneath that, they're going to click that link, you guys, and they're going to be taken to that video, and their question is going to be answered in further detail. And when people click that link, that is when you get paid. This is how you're going to generate traffic to that specific link. So there you have it, you guys. Very, very simple strategy. Just like I said, just to sum it all up again real quickly, all we're doing is we're going to YouTube and we're searching for videos that answer very valuable people's questions, that are evergreen content that people search for all the time. And a lot of people search for this content, you guys. And remember, it's romance, wealth, and health. So we could be searching for make money online, how to work from home, how to lose weight fast, how to get my girlfriend back, you know, how to talk to girls, whatever it is. Search for questions like that. Find videos that have a ton of views that people are absolutely loving. You can take videos from my channel. I don't care. I'd absolutely love that. It would generate more traffic for me. But take those videos, go to Quora and answer those questions. Paste that shortened link that we have from shrinkearn.com, and then every time you generate 1,000 views, you can earn up to $20 just for that, having that shortened link on that question that you answered in Quora. And basically all you're doing is answering that question with videos that are already done for you on YouTube. So you're not creating any videos. Just make sure that you leave a little bit of valuable content in the feedback right here so that it doesn't look spammy and people don't block your answers. So there you have it, my friends. That is all I have for you today. Go out there, give this a try. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how this worked out for you. Just say make money online, anything at all, I'll take it. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up. It helps to grow my channel, helps to get this information out to as many people as possible, so that we can put money in their pockets as well. And I'm absolutely grateful for every single like that I get, you guys. Make sure that you've subscribed to this channel. Click this bright red box right here. Click this bell notification. Make sure that you select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. Go out there, share my videos, you guys. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. I've left that in the top of the description. It's right up here, chadbennettlive.com. Click on that. If you want to get started doing what I'm doing, I got started 5 months ago, you guys, and I have had insane results, you guys. I've searched around so long on the internet trying to figure out how to make money online. The technique that I showed you today is a great way to start and to put some extra money in your pocket, but is not going to have life-changing results from that. You guys, you're not going to be able to quit your job and live a life of complete freedom. If that is something that sounds interesting to you, check out my #1 recommendation right there in the top of the link. I've left that right beneath this video. Check that out. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.